again, and welcome to the Miami Studio. Behind us, we have the pretty little birdie. I'm not sure what things they are, but there's something. So, don't forget to conserve nature and all that good stuff, and get your Diego mask, because this thing is a scammer, yo. You don't know who this is?